Hello my friends, welcome to my channel Gosia at Home Cooking. Today I will show you the delicious and simple recipe for Polish royal salad, Salatka Krolewska. This delicious salad is a combination of fresh pineapple, ham, sweet corn and eggs. We enjoy so much and I hope you enjoy too. Let's go started. For salad recipe, I need ham 100 gram. You can use any ham you prefer. 2 boiling eggs, half a cup of corn, celery, fresh pineapple 200 grams, and cranberries. There will be 2 tablespoons green onion, salt and pepper to taste, and 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And let's go started. First, I will cut ham small dices. The ham is pre-sliced, so it's very easy to cut it. Okay, the ham is cut. It goes to the bowl. Next, I will cut eggs. Okay, the eggs is cut, that goes to the bowl. Next, I will cut celery. I love celery. Oh, it will be excellent addition for my salad. I like the crunch of celery. Okay, the celery is done and goes to the bowl. Next, I will cut pineapple. Let me try the pineapple. Pineapple is done and goes to the bowl. Next, I'm adding corn, green onion, and green onion is cut. Then goes to the bowl. Cranberry, green parsley, and the last ingredients, mayonnaise and green parsley, and combine all ingredients. I'm adding black pepper. I have to try the salad if I needed any salt. Maybe just a little bit salt. Black pepper. One more stir. And the salad is done. Now I'll decorate the salad with the pineapple. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like this recipe, please comment, like and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified about my new video. I have so many delicious recipes on my channel. Be sure you check them out. And see you soon on my next episode. Dziękuję bardzo, smacznego. Bye bye.